Hello and good morning everyone. So today is the last trading session of this week. So let's get started with today's top stocks in news. The first one is LIC, where the company's new business premium is up by 5% at 60,262 crores. Total AP is up by 9.4% at 12,652 crores. Retail AP is up by 4.6% at 7,061 crores. VNB is up by 20.75% at 1,944 crores, and VNB margins are reported at 15.4% versus 13.9% on yearly basis. The next stock which you need to look at is Titan, where the company's net profit is up by 53% at 1,091 crores. Revenue is up by 25% at 16,523 crores. EBITDA is up by 47% and margins are reported at 11% versus 9.4% at yearly basis. The next stock is Godrej Consumer, where the company's net profit is on a flatter side, up by 0.4% at 452 crores. Revenue is up by 10%, EBITDA is down by 4% and margins are reported at 19% versus 21.7% on yearly basis. The next stock is HPCL, where the company's net profit is up by 30.3%, revenue is up by 1%, EBITDA is up by 31% at 7,601 crores and margins are reported at 6.9% versus 5.3% on quarterly basis. The next stock is Biocon, where the company's net profit is down by 95% at 31 crores. Revenue is up by 14.8% at 3,942 crores. EBITDA is reported at 829 crores and margins are reported at 19% versus 18.1% on yearly basis. The next stock is Cummins, where the company's net profit is reported at 589 crore, which is up by 40.3%. Revenue is up by 26.2% at 2,906 crores. EBITDA is up by 33.4% at 623 crores and margins are reported at 21.4% versus 20.3% on yearly basis. The next stock is NLC India, where the company's net profit is up by 42.7% at 798 crores. Revenue is up by 13.2%. EBITDA is down by 13.6% at 935 crores and margins are reported at 24.4% versus 32%. The next stock which you need to look at in today's trading session is Crompton Greaves, where the company's net profit is down by 19.4% at 122 crores. Revenue is again down by 6.5%. EBITDA is down by 17.6% at 192 crores and margins are reported at 9.6% versus 10.9% on yearly basis. The next stock which you need to look at in today's trading session is BSE, where the company's net profit is up by 9%, revenue is up by 13%, average daily premium turnover is up to 15,084 crores, equity derivative revenue is up to 598 crores, consolidated transaction charges are up to 738 crores and services to corporate is down to 105 crores. The next stock which you need to look at is Signature Global, where the company's net profit is reported at 34.4 crores versus 6.8 crores. Revenue is reported at 865 crores. EBITDA is reported at 33.2 crores and margins are reported at 3.83% versus minus 0.37%. The next stock which you need to look at is Apollo Tyres, where the company's net profit is down by 95% at 13 crores. Revenue is up by 3.6%. EBITDA is down by 4.6% and margins are reported at 13.2% versus 14.3% on Y&Y basis. The next stock is Zydus Life Science, because company receives NOC from Health Canada for ZDS Veronical tablet. Basically, this tablet is used to aid smoking cessation. The next stock is AU Small Finance Bank, because company gets RBI approval to become a universal bank. So these were some of the stocks which you need to look at in today's trading session. Thank you. Bye-bye.